Welcome to Lesson Search Algorithms and Game Playing. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamental concepts and techniques related to search algorithms and their applications in game playing. Let's dive in. Problem solving and search algorithms. Artificial intelligence involves problem solving using computational methods. At the core of problem solving is the concept of search algorithms. These algorithms help us explore and navigate through a problem space in order to reach a desired goal state. By employing various search strategies, we can find optimal or near-optimal solutions to complex problems. Uninformed search algorithms. Uninformed search algorithms make decisions solely based on available information without considering the goal. Two commonly used uninformed search algorithms are breadth-first search, BFS, and depth-first search, DFS. Breadth-first search explores all neighbors of a node before moving to the next level, guaranteeing the discovery of the shortest path. However, it can be memory-intensive, especially for large problem spaces. On the other hand, depth-first search explores a path until reaching a leaf node before backtracking, making it memory efficient. However, it may not always find the optimal solution. Informed search algorithms. Informed search algorithms utilize heuristic information to guide the search process. Heuristic search involves using heuristic functions to estimate the potential of a solution. By considering these estimates, the search algorithm can prioritize the most promising paths, making the search more efficient. A popular informed search algorithm is a asterisk search, which combines the cost of reaching a node with the heuristic estimate of reaching the goal. A asterisk search prioritizes nodes with lower cost and heuristic values, leading to more optimal solutions. Game playing and AI. Game playing is an exciting and practical application of artificial intelligence. To make intelligent decisions in games, AI algorithms employ various techniques. One such technique is the minimax algorithm, which evaluates all possible moves by assuming optimal play from both players. The AI player aims to maximize its payoff while minimizing the opponent's. Another important concept in game playing is alpha-beta pruning. This technique enhances the efficiency of the minimax algorithm by eliminating irrelevant branches, avoiding the evaluation of moves that will not affect the final decision. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of search algorithms and game playing. We hope you gained valuable insights into these fundamental AI concepts. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, please feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on artificial intelligence and related topics. Stay tuned for our next lesson.